continue to watch this video. If you want to see an how I made this green seasoning, it is so quick and so easy, but yes, delicious. Please guys, give me a thumbs up, share this video to your families, to your friends, and everyone on your social media, and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. Okay, thank you all. Stay tuned. Hi guys, it's Jody. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make a quick and easy green seasoning. Okay, so here I have some parsley, and this is the amount that I'm gonna use. Okay, also have 1 onion, 1 stalk of scallion, Scotch bonnet pepper, but I might use only 1 because this thing right here is super spicy. 16 cloves of garlic, some ginger, this is the amount, some fresh thyme, at least 4 tablespoons, and I'm also gonna add a sweet pepper and just half, and some pimento seed. Pimento seed, guys, is a must. I love using pimento seed, and I'm using 1 tablespoon. Okay, so now I'm gonna start off by cutting my parsley. Everything, guys, is already washed. Okay, make sure you wash it properly. So I'm just gonna cut it like so. So I'm gonna add it to my jug. And also cut my scallion. And I also just cut my garlic, so this is how I cut it, and my ginger. Okay, then I'm just gonna add it to my jug. We don't want to overfill it. Gonna add my pimento seed, and I'm gonna add just this amount. Okay, for now. I'm telling you guys, it smells so good. Super just fresh, natural. And now guys, I'm gonna add at least 1 tablespoon of my olive oil, because it's just gonna loosen it up. Okay, and I'm gonna use my hand blender to blend it. If you want, you can always use a food processor or even a blender also. Okay, yes. So I'm gonna keep, as you can see, it is blending nicely. So now I'm just gonna top it up some more. But guys, you don't want it to be all smooth, okay? You want it to still have some chunk in it. Yes. I'm adding my sweet pepper. This is how I cut it. You can cut it a bit more smaller. So guys, this is what it look like. As you can see, it still have good amount of chunk to it, because you don't want it to be so smooth. I'm telling you, my kitchen right now smells so good. I cannot wait to use this on my chicken or my meat. Look at it, guys. I wish you could smell it. Oh my goodness. The ginger, the pimento seed, that Scotch bonnet pepper, the scallion. This is like Flavor Town. Look at that. Perfect. I love it. Perfect, perfect. So here I have a bowl right here, so I'm just gonna put it in my bowl. And guys, if you have any mason jar, you can just leave it in your fridge for at least 3 to 5 days, okay? But if you want it to be longer, you can always leave it in your freezer, okay? Yes. Look at that goodness, guys. It smells so good. This is pure goodness. Make sure you scrape everything out, guys. You don't want to waste none of this goodness. Scrape it out, scrape it out. So there you have it, guys. This is how I make my green seasoning, quick and easy. Please give this video a thumbs up, share it to your friends, to your families, and everyone on your social media. I will really appreciate it, guys. And if you're not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, away I wait pan, subscribe right now. It is free, and thank you. And if you try this recipe, please comment below and tell me what it's like, okay? I thank you all so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye. Don't forget to keep laughing, keep smiling, no matter what, because God is always on your side. Bye guys, much love.